Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're here at the shop early this morning. Going to do a quick walk around, show you what we got going on, what's happening, what's coming up, and go from there. Well, let's start in the paint booth right here. We got the Camaro parts in here, the hood, deck lid, doors, spoiler, and cowl. Gonna get another coat of prime on them. Got them ready to prime, so we'll probably shoot primer on them first thing. That should be about, might be one more primer on the hood and deck lid. Should be the final primer on the doors. So we'll get them primed first thing. Walk back out this way. Right here is the Nissan hood. Had a bunch of hail damage, got it painted. Alan's got it water sanded down. We'll do some buffing on it, getting it shined up real good. That's all I can think of right here. The little Honda, got it put together, assembled, ready for inspection. Got paperwork sent off on it. Hopefully it got there in time so the inspector can get there next week, get it inspected so it'll be ready for sale. Right out there is a little Nissan. Got the sides fixed on it. Finally got the old blue truck off the rack. Got the converter and transmission in it. Drove it one time. It is shifting. Got to do a little more adjusting on that and get it all working right. Hopefully it'll work out good. Right there is the Jeep we got off Copart. If you seen Wednesday's video, we showed about it. Little Nissan, we painted the back bumper and fixed the deck lid on. Got them put back together. Got it assembled, ready to go. Get it cleaned up now. Like I said, got the doors hung on the Ford truck, the big Dodge, got the roof skin put on and got it painted. The black didn't match quite how we wanted it to. So got them mixing some more paint, get that repainted up there. It'll turn out, look a lot better. Been working on the Pontiac here, getting it ready for maybe the cruise up there, the rod run. Been working on the interior of it. Got the dash cluster out right now. But you can see we painted the dash, painted the steering column, cleaning all the chrome back up and the radio and stuff. Getting that all back together. Painted the tops of the doors and stuff so we can get the door panels. We'll get the carpet and that nice interior back in this. It'll make this a different car right here. Had everything looked good except for that old dash and the door things. They was all weathered and wore out. And I wish the cluster was over here so you could see the restore job Drake done on it. I mean, it looks super nice. Camaro is still sitting here ready for blocking. The Dodge hood right here, getting it finished up. Ain't a whole lot to really show you inside this week. Got it all coming along good. Got a lot of work done. The little silver Nissan that was on the frame machine for so long, got it fixed, got it inspected. Everything goes good. Think we got it sold, so it'll be moving out. Got a couple more out there to get started on. A little 2 Toyota Camrys, I believe it is. One hitting the front, one hitting the rear. Alan went and got a parts car picked up that should fix both of them, so that'll be good. Like I said, getting the doors on the F100 to get it knocked out. The Camaro getting it closer, getting it knocked out. So hopefully we can get a bunch of this stuff knocked out and moving along. But I want to appreciate everybody, thank everybody for tuning in, checking us out every week, liking, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. And keep checking us out. 256 Garage out.